How to fix if your microphone is not working on your Android phone. Now in order to fix this, you just simply need to go over your settings app and then find out the app settings. If you use Samsung, app settings will directly be visible into this setting page. Simply tap to app settings and after this, you need to find out the permissions section. If you use Samsung, you just simply need to tap into this three dot into the top right corner and then you will get this option of permission manager. Tap into permission manager and from here you need to specifically select microphone option. Select microphone and after this it will show all of the permissions for microphone including allowed or not allowed and ask every time before allowing. Now in this page you just simply need to find the application where the microphone is not working. In my case, I'll select the WhatsApp for demo and as you can see here, WhatsApp is in the section of not allowed. This is the reason why my microphone is not working in WhatsApp and probably yours too in whatever application that you are using the microphone on. Now in order to fix this, just simply open the WhatsApp, in your case your application where the microphone is not working, and you just simply need to allow the permission for microphone like this, and after this the microphone will start to work like normally. I hope this video was helpful to you. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.